My washing machine broke down. Excuse me, is this the appliance repair shop?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
My washing machine stopped working this morning.
Oh, no. What happened exactly?
I put the clothes in, and it started making a strange noise.
What kind of noise?
A loud banging sound, then it just stopped.
Did the machine turn off completely?
Yes, the screen is black now, no lights at all.
How old is your washing machine?
About 5 years old.
What is the brand?
It's a Samsung, a front-load model.
Okay. Is it a big machine or a small one?
It's medium size, for a small family.
I see. Can you describe the noise again?
It sounded like something hit the drum, very loud.
That could be a broken part inside the drum.
Is that expensive to fix?
It depends. Sometimes it's just a small part.
Can you check it today?
I have two options for you.
What are they?
I can visit your home, or you can bring the machine here.
The machine is too heavy to bring here.
Then I will visit your home.
What time can you come?
I have an opening this afternoon around 3 o'clock.
That works for me.
Can you give me your address?
Yes, it's 12 Green Street near the small park.
Got it. And your phone number?
555 to 2314.
Perfect. I will call you before I arrive.
How much is the visit fee?
The visit fee is $20.
Is that included in the repair price?
No, it's separate. The repair price depends on the problem.
I understand.
Do you have a warranty on the machine?
I'm not sure. Let me check the papers at home.
That's fine. Just tell me when I arrive.
Okay.
One more question. Is there water leaking from the machine?
No, I don't see any water.
Good. That means the problem is probably mechanical.
What does that mean?
It means a part inside might be broken or loose.
Can you fix it today?
If I have the right part, yes.
And if you don't have the part?
Then I need to order it. That takes 2 or 3 days.
Oh, that's a long time.
I understand, but I don't want to guess without seeing the machine.
That makes sense.
See you at 3 o'clock then.
See you later.
Hello again. Nice to see you.
Hi, thank you for coming.
No problem. Where is the washing machine?
It's in the kitchen next to the sink.
Okay, let me take a look.
Take your time.
I'm going to open the back panel first.
Sure, go ahead.
Can you turn on the light? It's a bit dark here.
Of course. Is this better?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
Did you find the problem?
I think so. One of the belts is broken.
A belt? Is that serious?
Not too serious. It's a common problem.
Can you replace it?
Yes, but I don't have this exact belt with me.
So you need to order it?
Yes, it usually takes 2 days to arrive.
That's a problem. I have a lot of laundry.
I understand. Do you have a laundromat nearby?
Yes, there's one a few blocks away.
You can use that until the machine is fixed.
Okay, I can do that.
I'll order the part today.
How much will the repair cost?
The belt is $15 plus labor.
What is the total?
With labor, it's about $60.
That's not too bad.
It's a fair price for this type of repair.
Do I need to pay now?
No, you can pay after I finish the repair.
Sounds good.
I'll call you when the part arrives.
Thank you very much.
Wait, actually, let me check one more thing.
What is it?
The motor sounds a little strange, too.
Oh no, is that another problem?
It might just need cleaning. Let me check closely.
Please check carefully.
Okay, I removed the dust. Now let's test it.
Does it sound better?
Yes, much quieter now.
That's a relief.
The motor is fine. It was just dirty.
So the only problem is the belt?
Yes, that's the only issue.
I'm glad it's not more serious.
Me too. This machine is still in good condition.
How long will it work after the repair?
With good care, many more years.
That's great news.
I'll message you as soon as the belt arrives.
Perfect. Thank you for checking everything.
You're welcome. I'll also clean the filter before I leave.
Oh, I didn't know it needed cleaning.
Yes, many people forget about the filter.
Where is the filter?
It's usually at the bottom, behind this small door.
I see it now.
I'll clean it quickly.
Thank you.
Done. It was quite dirty.
Was that causing a problem too?
It could reduce water flow, so it's good to clean it regularly.
I'll remember that.
All right, I'm finished for today.
What's the next step?
I'll order the belt this evening.
How will I know when it's ready?
I'll send you a text message.
Okay, I'll wait for your message.
It should take about 2 days.
That's fine. I'll use the laundromat.
Good idea. Do you know the opening hours?
I think it's open until 10 at night.
That should be enough time for you.
Yes, it should work.
Before I go, do you have any other questions?
Just one. Is there any way to prevent this in the future?
Yes. Avoid overloading the machine with too many clothes.
I think I did put too many clothes in it.
That could explain the extra pressure on the belt.
I'll be more careful next time.
That's a smart choice.
Thank you for the advice.
No problem. I'll see myself out.
Thank you again for coming.
It was my pleasure. I'll contact you soon.
I'll be waiting for your message.
Take care until then.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.